Within walking distance is the Sawdust Festival, a cornerstone of the art community in Laguna Beach. Here we are at the Sawdust Festival in Laguna Canyon. This is a very cool and unique festival that only happens during the summer and 2 weeks during Christmas time. It's been going on for 50 years. They have sawdust all over the floor in the whole festival. Every booth is custom made and all of the artists are local. Everybody comes from all over Orange County and not only just Orange County, all over the United States and perhaps the world to see this place. It's very, very original and extremely Laguna Beach. You have to check it out while you're here. My timing is excellent. They're doing a glass blowing demonstration right behind me right now. They have all sorts of artists, from oil paintings to glass blowers to fine handcrafted jewelry to stuff you wouldn't even be able to imagine until you saw it yourself. Because people are so creative here, it's for any art lover.